Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh. Today I have the pleasure of showing you this beautiful 2024 Premier 230 Solaris, which is right behind me. We're starting off on the exterior like we do on all of our walkthroughs. Looking up at the bow here, you'll see you do have nice integrated docking lights with the navigation lights as well, just integrated here, which is really cool. You have the pop-up stainless steel cleats. They fold down so you don't stub your toes. The exterior of this 230 Solaris is the black paneling with the tan accent. The 2024 got a little bit of a fresh redesign with some different badging, and also at the rear towards the stern, some different angles that they used on the paneling as well. The black rails kind of tie nicely into the blacked out electric bimini top, which is a nice feature on this boat. It is a standard option. Moving back, you can kind of see where I was talking about the angles of this 230 Solaris, of the paneling, a little bit different. Comes with the safety railings, which is nice. Kind of allows you to sit back here in this rear seating configuration. So this does have the RF layout, which I'll go over when we actually get inside of the boat. It comes with the black ski tow bar with the tow point up on top, so you can really tow a tuber, wakeboarder, skier if you'd like, and then you have plenty of horsepower to do that. I don't know off the top of my head which power plant this has, but let me take a peek here quick. And it's got the Mercury 250 outboard, so it's a V8 engine, plenty of power to tow your tubers, your wakeboarders, your skiers, especially when you have a nice tow point to keep that rope above the actual motor. Now, this is also going to have the PTX middle tune, so it's a 36-inch middle tune, which is going to be just great for really keeping this boat more buoyant, so getting it up on a plane a little bit faster. It's going to feel really great, especially on rough water too. You'll see on the starboard side here, you have a nice ricochet ladder, which it will automatically go up just like so, which is really cool. And that was really the exterior of this 230 Solaris. Let's go take a peek at the interior. All right, we're inside this beautiful 230 Solaris. And again, this has the RF layout. You can see the tan interior with some of the darker tan accents as well, which is just a nice touch. It's got the dual helm chairs here, so you have a co-captain's chair, which is nice, especially for your passenger. But the RF layout allows you to fold down these backrests right here, make this a complete bed if you want to. On each side, you'll have 4 cup holders and a little storage compartment on the port side there. Looking at the helm itself, you have a nice raised helm that's black, a fresh redesign of the helm, which is cool. It's got digital throttle and shift, SIMRAD screen for your charts and engine information. You have a little glove box right here that's actually on a magnet, which is really cool. And then the raised helm itself just gives the driver a little bit more visibility. And then you have a nice SeaDeck flooring just on the raised helm to give it a more finished look, which is cool. JL Audio head unit for your stereo system. All JL Audio speakers in this 230 Solaris. Definitely going to have a lot of fun if you're going to be listening to music all day long on the water. It does have RGB lighting, which is controlled with this knob right here, which is really cool. Yeah, it's a really well-appointed 230 Solaris at the helm. You're going to have really what you need and a few more features to add to the fun. Moving up into the bow, great space in this 230 Solaris. Definitely feels spacious. The configuration, I would say, is like most pontoons up in the bow. But again, the bolstering and the vinyls, very, very great quality. And some of the stitching and some of the patterns that they're using, the accents are a little bit different from 2023, so give it a more refreshed look. You're gonna have cup holders, USB ports, kind of in the side here on each side, just to give you, more convenient features to use when you're on the water. One thing I'll point out too is because you have a big 36-inch middle tune, you have a lot of space in the floor right here. Right now the cover's in there, but if you're going to store, life jackets, maybe beach bags, whatever it might be, you have a lot of space. So plenty of storage. And then actually on the raised helm too, there's a few cool things like a paper towel rack, a garbage can that comes out. So great use of space. That closes just like so. You guys, this was the 2024 230 Solaris. here at the MarineMax Rogers location. It's a beautiful boat, great color scheme. It's currently available. If you have any questions or would like to come and view this boat, please come stop by our Rogers location or give us a call and we'd be glad to help you out. Thank you.